And welcome back, folks. You're watching Good Morning Jacksonville on this Monday morning. Right now, having a very close eye on your weather and traffic together. We're talking about some serious, heavy, blinding rain all throughout the First Coast. And of course, traffic is a major concern. We're getting in so many crash reports back to back this morning.
We are, and so we're following with our weather and traffic team. So let's go to Mike Prangley right now. And
yes.
Mike, we have some weather that really is just nasty out there.
It is. There's no other way to put it, and really dangerous. I'm just very concerned. The worst of the weather moving through during the peak of the commute, morning commute, not a good mix. So as we take a look at the big picture, southeast Georgia, finally a little better news. The heavy rains moved offshore, but a lot of areas saw about an inch and a half of rain. So ponding continues with some of the lighter rain. Then you move south, and that's where it turns ugly in a hurry, especially south of I-10. Some very heavy rain. Rain rates of about 2 to 3 inches now per hour. Let's zoom in. And now what I've been doing is scanning these storms very carefully. I'm not seeing any rotation across Duval County, Clay, or St. Johns County. So that's the first thing. So the main threat I picked out is really the blinding rain, 2 to 3 inches per hour. Maybe some wind gusts embedded with 40 to 50 mile per hour wind gusts at times. That's the highest wind I could find. In addition, some of that lightning. So just a bad combination with that hydroplaning as well. We have a little bit of small hail between Stark, Penny Farms we're picking up right now. But right now it's the heavy rain and really the ponding from Mandarin to Nocatee between now and about 7:13. World Golf Village will get in on this heavy rain at 7:22. Usina Beach, Volano Beach, St. Augustine, right about 7:41 to 7:49 this morning. Now the second part of this line, the southern edge, I'm more concerned about with severe weather, not just the blinding rain. As you go to Gainesville, there is a severe thunderstorm warning in effect through about 7:15. And notice how this line is starting to bow out a bit, and it is showing a little bit of rotation. So if you have travel plans to I-75 in the Gainesville area, this is one where you want to wait till this dangerous line passes. You do not want to drive through this line. That's the worst place you could be. And when I start to see these lines bow outward, I'm thinking wind gusts of 60 miles per hour. And with a little rotation on radar, I can't rule out a brief tornado. So we're going to have to watch this line very carefully as it moves off to the southeast, because this could include not just Alachua County for that damaging wind gust, but off toward areas of Interlochen and Palatka as we head towards 7:49 this morning. And if it holds together, maybe even southern St. Johns County and Palm Coast and Flagler County between 8 and 8:30 this morning. So we've got some big impacts between now and about 8:30. Includes that 1 to 3 inches of rain, wind gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour. And that dangerous lightning. Next 12 hours, good news, we get a break. Okay, we need a break, right? Late morning, early afternoon, but a second round could get started by this evening with those high temperatures near 80. 7-day forecast does show the silver lining, but we're going to have to wait. That's right, till Wednesday. That's when we turn sunny again, cooler. Temperatures near 70 and then warming up for the weekend. Now let's get to those roads with Katie Jeffries and the ViStar Credit Union Traffic Center.